Hey everyone, this is Stephen KC Railpan here, and welcome to another model rating video. So hope you guys are having a great summer, because I know it's like June now, and I know you guys are enjoying the summertime, because you know some of you guys are out of school and all that. But so here's a good way to start off the summer. I have some new rolling stock to share with you guys today. So you can see I have something that's Athearn Genesis, and also two Walthers Mainline rate cars. So, are you guys ready to see the reveal of these? Let me back up the camera a little bit. So here we go. We'll start with the Walthers Mainline. So the first off is, this is actually a rare piece I found. I believe this is from the first run. This is the Louisville and Nashville, or the Family Line Systems Hopper. Because, you know, Family Lines, you know, is between the, you know, the Seaboard Coastline and the Louisville and Nashville. So it's a pretty cool car. It's, you know, that's basically the letter for Louisville and Nashville. So it's a really nice car to have. Yeah, because you know you can find these on like CSX grain trains. Because you know I'm thinking about starting a CSX grainer. Because you know there's been some CSX grain trains that interchange to BNSF. And they come down through Kansas City as well. So I have seen a couple of these, and I haven't seen a couple of these hoppers before. So I thought I'd get one of these. So there's that, and then the next one I got is another rare piece I found. So here's that. Looks very nice. So now I have two of them. So there's that, and now we'll go on to the Athearn Genesis. So here's the Genesis. So here it is. It is a 3-pack of NS Trinity hoppers, which I thought this was a very cool piece. I was so glad I was able to have a 3-pack. So this will be perfect to expand the NS grain train, because now I have the Athearn Genesis and Bachmann. So all I don't have right now is the Intermountain ones. So now we have these. These are really cool, and I really look forward to adding these to the NS freights, as well as starting my own grain train. It's going to look really nice to do at least, because you know, NS does run some grain trains through Kansas City, even some of the interchanged ones as well. So I thought about getting a couple of those. So I'm starting both NS and CSX grainers on the layout. So it's going to be really nice to add more hoppers. So hopefully I might try and complete grain trains for the NS, CSX, and I'll maybe even do CPKC. But I'll just need to collect a couple more CP hoppers and such, and then we'll do more. Because I do like grain trains, because they're really nice to see. So anyways, that's basically it for the rolling stock reveal. So hopefully you'll get to see these in future operating sessions. And so yeah, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time. Okay, have a good day everybody.